The St. Elizabeth Police is seeking the public's assistance in locating a man accused of shooting and injuring his girlfriend at a party in Junction early this morning. Reports are that at about 2 a.m. the couple had an argument while with friends. The man allegedly took a licensed firearm from one of them and shot the woman. She was rushed to hospital for treatment where she remains in serious condition. The suspect fled the scene while the licensed firearm holder has been taken in for questioning. Investigations are ongoing. A man is dead and 2 others on the run following an attempted break-in at a cash pot outlet along the Sandy Bay Main Road in Clarendon this morning. The dead man has not yet been identified. According to reports, about 2 o'clock, a policeman responded to an alert that persons were trying to enter a shop in a community called Coffee Shop. Shortly after, several explosions were heard. Later, 3 men were seen rushing from the location. One of them, who was allegedly carrying a crowbar, collapsed. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The other men escaped on foot. Indicom is probing the shooting. Head of the St. Catherine North Police Division is warning criminals that they will be pursued by law enforcement. The commanding officer made the comments at a church service as the division celebrates 158 years.
Between January 1 and April 18, 2026, the St. Catherine North Police Division has recorded 8 murders. That's a 47% reduction when compared to the same period last year. Interesting to note, the division's clear-up rate for murders is 100%. It's against this backdrop, commanding officer for the St. Catherine North Police Division, Senior Superintendent Hopton Nicholson, cautioned criminals about committing murders in the division.
The message we want to reach to alleged perpetrators, potential perpetrators, it's not a good thing to commit crimes in St. Catherine North. You will be caught and you will be dealt with according to law.
While murders have decreased significantly, SSP Nicholson revealed other crimes have been emerging in the division.
And one of them I want to bring to your attention because you may not know. Some of you, a lot of you do not shop with your cash, you shop with cards. And some of you have quite a bit of money on your cards. Now, what some of the perpetrators, what they're doing, you buy something for 2,000 Jamaican dollars. And by the time you see your statement, it is charged in US dollars.
He pointed to a recent case that came to his attention.
We have a situation at the moment where we have a person in custody, well, before the court. The person paid 12,500 Jamaican dollars for a service. And the perpetrator, who is a lady, charged 12,500 US dollars, almost 1.8 million Jamaican dollars. So I want you to understand that you need to be vigilant in conducting transaction because not everybody obey the laws as God has told you that you should not steal. There are some who are still dishonest.
The division's commander was speaking at a church service this morning at the New Life Worship Center in Spanish Town, where he recommitted the police's ongoing partnership with stakeholders, including the church.
As a division, we are working along with the church and other institutions to make St. Catherine North, and by extension Jamaica, an ideal place to live, to work, to raise families, to do business. And we do so in a manner where we try our very best to work to police with consent.
Carrie Ann Simpson, TVJ News.
It's time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It's now time for the Business Minute.
The Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining is moving to support Escalion farmers who are struggling to sell their produce due to an oversupply on the market. The ministry says it has been engaging agro-processors, including Grace Agro-Processors and Walker's Wood Caribbean Foods, in an effort to increase purchases from local farmers. Discussions are also underway with the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association and the Jamaica Agro-Processors Association to encourage their members to absorb more of the crop. Further afield, Customs and Border Protection is accepting applications for tariff refunds starting Monday. Its portal is in response to a Supreme Court ruling that struck down the president's most sweeping duties. The decision suggests American importers are due to about $166 billion in refund plus interest. CBP estimates the money will go out 60 to 90 days after an application's approval. Not all tariffs and parties are eligible for reimbursements at this stage, and the Trump administration is signaling it might try to delay or reduce the refunds. And that's it for the Business Minute. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson.
Time now for the top stories from around the world.
In the region, in Trinidad and Tobago, Prime Minister Kamla Prasad Biseso says the deadly attack on a municipal police station and the theft of more than 60 weapons was an internal betrayal, not an external assault on state security. The incident at the San Fernando City Corporation left one officer dead. The Defense Ministry has since activated a national security response with the Defense Force on heightened alert. Meanwhile, the opposition is blasting the situation, calling it a shocking sign of worsening national security. And on the international scene, a mother and her 6 children are dead after a house explosion and fire in central Pennsylvania. State police say the blast happened Sunday morning at a home in Clinton County, leaving the house fully engulfed in flames when crews arrived.
And we do apologize for the incorrect insert on that story. We head to a quick break. When we come back, we'll have your Midday Sports Report.